What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Train? What does the train ride on, Chase? Track? Good job. Boy, Mommy's making a city. This is Mommy pregnant. Due any minute. Smile, Mommy. Smile, Mama. And there's Chase, just about to turn 2. Can you show me how old you are, Chase? Can you put 2 of those together? Because you're almost 2 now. Are you sharing, Chase?
Yeah.
Good. Can you show me, where's the baby, Chase? Chase, where's Mommy's baby? Can you show me? Chase, where's Mama's baby?
Chase, where's Dylan? Chase, hey. Where's Dylan? You gonna give Dylan a kiss?
Give Dylan a kiss.
Give Dylan a kiss. Good job.
Good job, sweetheart. Pretty soon you'll be able to kiss his little face.